All right guys, I'm Alan Branch from Carolina Fitness, and today we're taking a ride on the water rower. Alright guys, so today Derek is going to torture me with the water rower and tell you a little bit about it. Derek, I just got on this thing for the first time. I did a few pulls before we got started. It's very smooth.
It is. So the water rower is going to give you a way more natural feeling that you're actually like rowing in water.
It sounds like I'm rowing in water because I kind of am.
Yeah, that's the cool thing about the water rower. It has a reservoir of water that actually is what the resistance is being built through the pull of the band. And as you can see, it's not chain driven like a lot of the other brands out there. It is actually a nylon band, so it's going to be a lot smoother and it's going to be a lot easier to feel. But that does not make the workout harder, or less hard is what I mean.
No, it doesn't. It's what I get out of that is the smooth. The feeling of that pull is so smooth. It literally feels like I've got oars in water.
Oh yeah. It is one of the most natural feelings of actual rowing that you're going to get.
Okay, so what are some of the other features about this? We've got the display panel.
So yeah, so much like rowers on the market, it has the display that's going to give you all the good things you need, like the time, what your pace is, how many calories you're burning. It's going to tell you everything. You can even, just use it to challenge your friends and get two water rowers going at the same time.
It's also extremely heavy duty, and something else I noticed as I'm going through the motions, this thing does not move at all.
Oh no,
like it's solid. And the footprint, it really isn't that big. It's kind of a moderate sized footprint for such a heavy duty piece.
It does. And another thing about it is the actual foot plates that you're sitting on are a lot more close, like more narrow compared to rowers in the market. So it's actually like being in a rowboat. So you're actually getting what a rower would feel like on an actual rowboat.
So guys, if you're looking to change up your cardio routine, put in something a little bit different, use it as an interval in a class format, or just have some additional pieces in your facility, check out the water rower. I'm Alan Branch from Carolina Fitness. The champ, Derek Sellis. See you next time.